Okay, tried something different this time. It's been a long time since I went to an indoor range. I went to one first time. I didn't even know that it was even in there. It was closer to the house. It was about 10 miles away from the house. I went there. It was kind of fun. The last one was when we used to have one over there in the lakefront. We used to have one, an indoor range, but they tore it down years ago. So I just been shooting out at the club and stuff like that, so I decided to try this indoor range. It was pretty cool. I got some targets from there. It wasn't a very long one, but I mean, it was pretty cool. I mean, I thought it came out alright. I don't know, I'm probably going crazy with the camera. It came out alright. I just went in there, I shot my Glock 43 and my Glock 26, and I even shot a couple bad guys. I think I've got some of the targets on the tape there too. Here's one here where we scored the guy up pretty good. There's his head shot and body shot and stuff. And then it was a lot of fun. Like I said, we went in there. I went there looking like this one here. I think this was with the Glock 43 I was using. It tore his head up. Look at that. Perfect center mass, all 6 and 6. You'll see on the video. Alright. Here we got that notorious bad guy at 7 yards. We're going to use the Glock 26. See if we can put him down. I'm going to do headshots. Oh yeah, he's down. This time, we're going to try to shoot center mass using the Glock 43 this time. 7 yards. Here we go. Good Lord. Went in the same hole. 3 and 3. 3 and 3. Pretty good. Pretty good. Let's send it back. We'll give him some more hope. Okay. I'm going to do it with the Glock 43 again. Center mass. Here we go. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Nice group, 7 yards. Target down all the way at the end. Let's see if we can see it from here. It's a bad guy with a J-frame revolver pointing right out. Okay, here we go. Let's see how we did. Not a horrible group. Two, 4, 5. Looks good. He went down. Okay, target's all the way down there. We had 6 in the center. Let's see if we can hit him in the head. It'd help if we load it up. I think I have some went over. Let's see what happens.
way down. Using a Glock 43. Couple over by the ears. Couple over there. Okay. We're going to change target and get a little bit closer this time. Okay. This time we're going to shoot 6 to the head, do a reload, and shoot 6 to the body. Okay, here we go. Let's see how we did. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. Throw his hand up. Right center of mass. Right to the head. Excellent shooting. Excellent shooting.
Okay, and like always, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. And like always, if you haven't already, please subscribe. And if you like the video, hit like. Leave a comment too. Thanks a lot. I really appreciate you watching.